Yes, I have already proved it in the mean value theorem problems that if the integration and the role theorem, I have already proved that the integration of zero function is a, yes, Hadi, I have already explained. What is the answer of this? I have already proven अगर आपको in the as the example of the mean value mean value theorem, yes, role theorem or a mean value theorem, yes, okay, so that is the 1 2 is if a to b is x constant, if function is constant, I have already proved this. If the function is constant, no, its integration is d will be cancelled with the integration. I have already explained. So this will be, this is already proven the role theorem too. Okay, this will be a cx, but its value will be changed from b to a. Actually, this will be a cx, but the boundary value is from b to a. So it will be right as c b minus a. Okay. Always remember that if there is a something like a x cube or fx, and we are considering the limit from b to a, that will be fb minus fa. Okay, ये याद रखना तरीका, ठीक है, पहले b minus, or if that is x sin x cube, and I considering that b to a, that will be a, firstly you put the x value a sin x a cube a minus अगर हम यूजली a to b लेते हैं, ठीक है, so that will be a b a cube sin a. You must write in this way. Okay, got it? X will be replaced with the b first, and then x will be replaced with the a. Okay, so that's the formula will be used. Third is yes. In derivative, integration is opposite. In derivative, power will be shift, and power will be subtract. Firstly, power will be shift, and 1 will be subtract. Integration will be it will be in opposite. Here the power will not shift, बल्कि क्या होगा आपके पास power will be divided. Okay, the power will be add, and that will be a okay, 1 power. In that case, the 1 power is multiply. Okay, so in this case, the power 1 is added and divided. The n plus 1 and plus 1. Okay. And this will be equal to, when we put the value, that will be a b n plus 1 n plus 1 minus b n a n minus 1 and n plus 1. The value will remain, but only the x will be changed. Okay. For example, yes, it will be equal to one power increase for a to b For example, if I is given that A is equal to 2, B is 5, okay, then that will be equal to 5 power 4, 2 power 4, and divided by 4. आंसर आप निकाल लेना, ठीक है. So got it? फाइव की पावर 4 लो, माइनस की पावर 4 लो, जो रिजल्ट, फिर उनको सब्ट्रैक्ट कर लेना रिजल्ट. कैलकुलेटर, सिंपली कैलकुलेटर यूज कर लेना. एंड अच्छा, ये सोचना होता है 1/x किसका डेरिवेटिव है? किसका डेरिवेटिव है? Natural log. So opposite to that will be a natural log x. Okay. जब log सब्ट्रैक्ट होता है तो डिवीजन के फॉर्म में लिखा जा सकता है. एग्जाम्पल, अच्छा ये मेरा ख्याल है मुश्किल हो जाएगी, 0 से 1 ले लेते हैं. डिवाइड करके लिखना हो तभी कर सकते हो डायरेक्टली भी. log of 1 is 0 and log of 0 is 1, so answer will be a 1. Got it? Fifth, EX का डेरिवेटिव क्या होता है? EX किसका डेरिवेटिव होता है? EX का. तो इसके इंटीग्रेशन में भी वही रिजल्ट आएगा. सो दैट्स मीन एग्जाम्पल लेने की जरूरत नहीं है, कर लोगे. जो भी हो. साइन एक्स किसका डेरिवेटिव है? साइन एक्स इज डेरिवेटिव ऑफ, यस, साइन इज डेरिवेटिव ऑफ माइनस का. साइन किसका डेरिवेटिव है? माइनस कॉस का. सो द इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ साइन एक्स विल बी माइनस कॉस. Okay. Cos is derivative of, yes, cos is derivative of Minus multiply with the plus, that result will be a minus. So minus is multiplying both. Okay, plus become a minus, minus become a plus. Answer? You have to find with the help of calculator. Okay, I don't have a calculator at this moment. Okay, and next is 7 is, yes. 1 minute please. Don't waste on time. कि ये पता चल जाएगा जब हम सब लिख लेंगे. ठीक है. cos x is derivative of, किसका डेरिवेटिव है? साइन का. तो सो आंसर विल बी a प्लस साइन, नॉट a माइनस साइन. प्लस साइन x. एरिया देखना कितना है आदि. ओके, 8 साइन हो गया, कॉस हो गया, और tan किसका डेरिवेटिव है? कोई ऐसा आंसर हमारे ज़हन में नहीं है. कोई नहीं है. नहीं, tan किसी का भी. जीनियस, tan किसका डेरिवेटिव है? नहीं, सीकंड स्क्वायर डेरिवेटिव है tan का. tan किसका डेरिवेटिव है? नहीं. ठीक है, नहीं है यार. tan किसका है? किसी का भी नहीं है यार. मतलब आपने कोई नहीं पढ़ा हुआ. तो वैसे तो किसी ना किसी का बनता ही है, ज़ाहिर है इसका इंटीग्रेशन तो कोई निकलेगा. तो सो अनफॉर्चुनेटली डायरेक्टली हमारे ज़हन में नहीं आ रहा. सो वी हैव टू राइट tan is equal to sin over cos. Okay. Y equal to cos x. dy over dx will be अच्छा डायरेक्टली भी लिख सकते हो. dy over dx है वो वहां चला जाएगा, मैं उसके लिए. That will be equal to minus sin x. Actually this is equal to this, and this implies that dy equal to minus sin x dx. Okay, cos derivative is minus sin and dy. Okay, so I put here, and this will be here. Okay, so what will be the result? So tan x dx will become a minus dy over y. This is y and this is minus dy. Okay, so yes, cos y is y. Okay, ये y, and minus sin x dx is equal to dy, but sin x minus if I shift minus here, then sin x dx become minus dy. That's why. Okay, simple. Okay, or I may write it in this way, minus d over y. If down is a variable and up is a its derivative, what will be the answer from formula 4? From 4, that will be log of y. Okay, and y is because y is nothing, actually y is cos, so minus log cos x. Okay, so that will be the derivative, or you may say that this is equal to minus log of cos b minus log of cos a, or log of cos a log of cos b. I think for today it is enough.